morning, everybody. It's Tuesday.
August 8th.
The who?
August 8th.
Ah, yes. Yep. It's supposed to be partly sunny. Hopefully, no rain. 17% chance. But up here, it'll be sunny in one spot and downpouring in another. So we might go to Du Bois to get some meat. We go to a meat market there. We've been there before. One of our other videos. So we're just enjoying the ride. I'm trying to hit 165 miles today, if we can. Maybe. We'll see. We'll save the meat market for the last leg of our run.
Yeah.
So we'll catch you on the next one. We're on 949, I believe. This is the road in the last video we had that the deer jumped out in front of our friends. So we're coming to it the back way. And but it's a nice road. Nice relaxing road. Alrighty. A little bit of scenery, very little. As usual, turned it on light. Little chilly, 73 degrees. And cloudy skies.
Windy.
I went off route because I needed gas, and I got like 198 miles on the tank. I want to gas up before we go any further. We're headed to a gas station. All right, Blue has a full belly. And now we're going to continue our quest on the road we were on, 949. Right now we're on 322. Like I said before, we needed gas. So, we're good for the day. Good for another 200 miles plus. There's some pretty scenery. Top of the world. Keeping our eye out for deer.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's very windy.
Yeah.
Very windy today. You can see by the trees. And we're in cloud cover right now. Not too much sun. Whee! Okay. We'll keep you updated. Wow. Whee! This is a good road because there's nobody behind us. Very nice scenery. Farmland. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
There's a deer right there. Right there.
Oh yeah, right there. See a deer right in the woods? Yeah. Let me back up.
And there goes another one right there.
Yeah.
There's a
couple of them. Yeah, another one. Can you see them all?
Look at them hopping along. Hi. Little whitetails.
Did you see him? Oh, let's go forward.
He's still running. Here we all go. Bye.
Yeah.
There's like 4 or 5 of them.
Mm-hmm. Whole bunch.
Just still sitting there right there.
Yeah, that's it.
Still sitting there.
I don't know if you can see him in the woods.
Hi, dear. My deer call worked. Hi, dear, dear, dear.
Can you see him? Beautiful. Through the woods. Just standing there. There we go. It's time to move.
He's just walking along.
Like doop-de-doop-de-doop-de-doop. Oh, keep it running for a while. We don't know what we're going to see. Any more?
That's why they suggest 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, we're only doing like 10 miles an hour on the road here. Cutting through the woods. We're deer hunting.
No, not hunting. Seeking.
Deer seeking. Yeah, absolutely correct, hon.
Perfect spot for them.
What was that?
Perfect spot for them. For them.
Well, we've seen some.
We're seeing more deer here than we do in New Hampshire. If you see a moose,
A who?
a moose, that would make my day.
Oh. I think there'll be elk up here.
Okay. If I see an elk, I'm going to
You're going to give the elk call.
Oh, yeah. Who's Aiden when you need him?
I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah, elky, elky.
Okay, back at $8.99. If you need to rent a canoe and go canoeing, tubing, right here.
Turn left on Pennsylvania 36.
And we're off again. Off to see the wizard. Here's the view. Wow. Here's the view. You see that? Very nice.
Pretty. Where is it? I don't know.
Reynoldsville.
Oh.
Very nice. Beautiful view. Well, maybe you can hear me now. I just looked down and the microphone was sitting in my lap. Well, but that's a nice view in front of us. Wow. Very windy. We're heading home. See if we can make it before we get rained on.
Yeah, I don't think we'll get rained on. Get
Rain-
blown away.
We got blown away, I think. picked up. Yes, it did. Look at that flag. Woo. So far, we had a good ride. We got our meats from the meat market. It'll last us for a month.
Yeah.
All yummy stuff. So don't forget, subscribe. We don't want you to miss any of our adventures. And we thank you for watching. We made it back without getting rained on. The clouds are getting very dark. So, I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget, subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you.